So now I am going to show you how you can create automation flows inside Dondy. So when you create the WhatsApp API with us, like you can go to create automation or automation page from here. So I am showing you from here. Here you can see there is an option to create automation flow. So in this page you will see these fields like flow type, flow, examples, language, time, after sent, after message, and everything. So I am showing you one by one. So this is the flow type. You can select any of the flow type from here. For example, I am showing you how to create abandoned cart recovery. You can select any of them as per your requirement. So from here I am select this abandoned cart recovery. There are some flow examples, like there are three examples here. You can see the difference in the templates here. You can create as many possible as you want, but we recommend you to have at least three abandoned cart recovery templates. And for first I'm selecting this. Now you can select a language. You can select any language from here. So I am showing you how in the English. And you need to now select the time, after how many time or when you need to send this template. So we recommend to have at least 15 minutes to send the first abandoned cart message. And in the message body you can customize the text as per your requirement. So to have the customer first name, you can keep this, or if you remove this short code, you can click here, so it will be added from here. So there are other shortcuts from here. And in the footer you it is recommended to keep this. So your customer has an option to stop the automation, and Meta will not mark you as a spam. So here you can add discount code. So if you want to offer any discount code like 10% or 20% discount, you can add any code from here. And you also need to add that discount code in Shopify discounts. So these are the message image type. Dynamic product image means if customer have multiple products in the cart, so it will show the first image of the first product. So it will become dynamically. If you want, you can share no image with the customer, or custom image URL if you want to show a fixed image with the message. So this is the complete order button. So the button, it will be dynamic button. If you want to add, you can add more static button here. If not, it will be just one dynamic button. Also you can have more quick reply from here. And if you want, you can remove it from here. After you fill up all the fields, you can click on create flow. So the flow is created successfully. And then you can see like it's currently pending, and it will be approved by Meta after some time. So when it is approved, you can view the flow details from here. You can, if you want, you can edit the flow, but you can edit only once in a 24 hours. Or if you want, you can disable the flow from here. So that's how our automation flow works. And also you need to add balance to send this automation. As you know, Meta has some price for every automation. So you need to add balance here to keep sending the automation flow. So feel free to reach out to us if you have any more questions. Thank you.